Hi, this is Matt Grigsby, Motion Specialist for C&E Advanced Technologies, bringing you a motion product moment featuring Tolomatic's ERD, low-cost electric cylinder for pneumatic cylinder replacement. Do you have an application where pneumatic cylinders leave you wanting? Pressure drops and spikes, leaks, and worn seals can make things inconsistent. Need multi-positioning, speed or force with higher accuracy and precision? A means to change acceleration and deceleration? The ability to gather and process data. An ERD will give you greater control over your process with high accuracy and repeatability. It will allow you to easily create, adjust, and change simple and complex motion profiles on the fly. Drive options allow connecting to a PLC, HMI, or other controller for integration into the system. The Tolomatic ERD is available in 3 body sizes, up to 500 pounds of force, and 24 inches of stroke. You can purchase complete with actuator, motor, drive, and cables, or with the Your Motor Here option, you can specify a third-party motor and the actuator will ship with a mounting plate and coupling attached and ready for your motor. That's Tolomatic's ERD low-cost electric cylinder. For more information about Tolomatic or for any of the other cool and unique products they offer, reach out to your technology consultant at C&E Advanced Technologies.